Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by prepping smartly. Sort fabrics and check pockets to prevent damage. Once done, measure the correct detergent, follow label amounts like 1/2 cap for light loads, and place it in the drawer. Make sure water supply taps are open and the drain hose is secured at right height because pressure and drainage affect wash performance. Now load the drum evenly, leaving gaps for tumbling. Close the door firmly, and select the basic quick or normal program to start the machine. You now configure the Cyclone settings to match fabrics. Pick 30 degrees for delicates and color care, or 60 degrees for heavily soiled cottons. Then set spin speed. Lower RPM reduces creasing while higher RPM like 1000 speeds drying. If garments are very dirty, enable pre-wash. Otherwise skip to save time. Make sure you add softener to its compartment and select the correct fabric cycle so agitation and drum motion match the load. After verifying icons and timer, press start and monitor the first minute for balance. You finish by unloading the machine right after the cycle to prevent odors and creases. Shake items out and hang them promptly. Once empty, wipe the door gasket and rubber seal to remove lint, then leave the door slightly ajar so the drum dries. Remove and rinse the detergent drawer monthly to prevent buildup. If the machine fails to drain or water remains, shut it off. Then check the pump filter and hose for lint or coins. Clear blockages and restart after reassembling.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.